Hello, Mr. Gainham. This is Hudson from New Year's Paving and Building Contractors, a division of Audio Projects. Okay, yeah. First of all, maybe I just should thank you so much for giving me an opportunity yesterday to come over and have a look. The nature of the problem that you'd like to get it, fixed. Okay. I was. Okay. What I did is I worked out a quote and I presented to you. But what I have decided is something that is probably more important that I should bring about is actually sort of the volume of the quantity that you're gonna need for to get to fix this problem. Okay, so what I did, I mentioned all these materials in the quotations, but I just want us to be on the same page. So basically, okay, yeah, hold on, 100% it's working. I just wanted to zoom it. Okay, alright, so we have four terraces or four tiers or four rows that you're gonna need put to in the backyard. Okay, so to start with the gabions, for example, if you we the gabions we actually yeah, so I mentioned the quantity of gabions and the volume of rocks that you're gonna need. So okay, basically we have a length of about 24 meters on average, so if you are gonna be using the gabions of that is a length of 2 meters with a height of 1 meter and a width of 1 meter, so we would need about 12 in a row. Each row will take about 4, and we've got 4 terraces that we're gonna be doing. If you for example, stick to the preference of putting up about 4 terraces to completely conquer the problem. So now we're gonna need about O in O. So it's 12 number of gabions per row or per terrace or per tier. By 4 is total number of the tiers or the terraces. So all in all, we should get about 48 gabions. Okay, right. With that, and then the next move will be to find out what's the total quantity of the rocks that you're gonna need to fill up all those 48 gabions for all the terraces that you're gonna be doing. So quantity taken by each gabion. This is actually sort of what makes sense. It's 3 tons or 3 cubes. Basically, when it's full, that whole gabion that has a length of 2 meters with a width of 1 meter and a height of 1 meter, totally it needs 3 tons, right? That's actually the total length of the total needed for each gabion. So for if we're gonna sort of okay, now we have 48 gabions to fill up. So what's the quantity that you're gonna need for all to fill all of them up? So then I came up with this. I multiplied 48 by 3. 3 is 3 tons. So then the total is 140 tons. That's the total that you're gonna need for all the gabions laid in all the rows or in all the terraces, 4 terraces. Okay, then so that's the total that you're gonna need for the gabions. Okay, just wanted to do this just to highlight it. Text. Right. Okay, so that's 144. Right, that is actually clear and explicit. Okay, what's and then we move on to the gum pose. The gum pose is basically to sort of find out how many feet in a linear meter and how many each row is gonna take. So for us to actually sort of because the gum poles they have an average of a diameter of 110 millimeters. That's the diameter of each pole. So a meter takes about 10, right? And then so then to find out what's actually the total that is going to be needed for the whole length of 22 meters or 23 meters. Okay, all right. So then I converted the meters into millimeters. So we're gonna have 22,000 millimeters, and in that, so then let's say, okay, so what will be the quantity needed per each row? So then I put 22,000 divided by 110, and then I came up with 200 is quantity needed per. So that will be, this is my formula, 22,000 divided by 110. So it came to, it actually comes out to 200 is quantity needed per each terrace. Okay, so now if we gonna do 4 rows, then it simply means 200 by 4 rows, and then we have right, so we have 800 is total for all the gum poles that you're gonna need. So what I did, I think that's the same thing I did in the code proposal. I mentioned these figures that the quantity, the units, and the rate and the amount. Yeah. So there is a rate that they are based on a total number of 800 is gum poles for all the 4 terraces. And also same applies to the volume of the gabions. The quantity is mentioned, the rocks is mentioned, right? So yeah, so I think that's all. I thought that maybe it's necessary to sort of present this to you, so you can also actually sort of get an insight that that's how I actually came up with those figures I mentioned in the code proposal. Okay, Mr. Gainhow, thank you very much. So I look forward to working with you in this once in a lifetime opportunity. Right, the ultimate decision, I'll hear from you. Okay, thank you very much for watching.